Okay, so today's Thursday. I lost a lot today on the Funded, and just get over what happened today and what I did, because I took some trades. I don't know how many, but I took a lot of trades today. So yeah, let's just start. So what happened today? We opened at 9:30, of course, and we opened with a small RTH, as you see right here. This was the RTH gap, and you see here equal highs of yesterday. I know yes took them, but also here we have a lot of buys at liquidity, and I'm still bullish. I would say I was still bullish. And Wednesday reversal could happen. We also have this RTH a bit open right here. You see on the ES as well, and on equity we have a whole RTH here open that we filled today. So yeah, coming into the open, let's just quickly look at the daily. I marked this CB right here, and it was kind of like my jaw on liquidity, or my jaw on the. You have to go to that inefficiency right there, the CB. I was looking for this, something like this, and then go higher. So on the data I was still bullish. We hit a level right here. Daily order blocker for me. We could go expand and make a new all-time high. But for now we're just heading on a down day inside of it. It's fine. So yeah, so coming into the market, I would say that I was looking for this right here, for that CB, and for this buy side right here, and the midnight of the previous day. So that was my draw. So we opened, we had equal lows right here, triple equal lows. I was waiting, okay, just like in the market make a buy model right here. Market make a buy. So what are we gonna do? Wait for some sort of retracement into the market, make a buy to take some liquidity, and then go long. And that's what we did in our first trade. Let's go to the market. It's a bit busy right here. It's a bit too busy. Let's put the executions on because we did a lot of things. I don't remember. Look at this. So I went long right here. We didn't even close above the first presented. So yeah, we did clear the lows right here, as I said. And with the CB being around here, being my target, I would say that we're going to go higher from here. We had a 4-hour gap as well right here. Alpha okay. And look for longs. And today we're simply wrong on the direction right here. So I longed. I added a little bit more when we closed in the upper portion. I don't know where it had. And then we took down this little equal highs right here. We failed to fill in the RTH gap, and we went lower. I couldn't be on side with this trade, with this move lower, so I didn't do anything I didn't put any short because I was bullish. So we went lower, and what I didn't saw is we have this low right here, and I'm at long right here. The reaction of this wick of yesterday, that wick right there, and blue wick is an old RTH, and the orange wick is a weekly wick. So there's a lot of things that I have marked. So yeah, I didn't mark the sell side. I was busy on my chart. I didn't saw it. So we took some sell side, is what I thought, but it was some old sell side. I don't know what it was. I had it marked wrong. I had this sell side right here, and I thought we took some sell side, but as you see, I don't know where this line is moving towards. Probably this line right here. So that was a mistake. I thought I had this sell side marked. So I went long right here on this change in state of delivery right here. for it to go and trade minimum towards this SIBI right here, maybe fill an RTH. So I went long with confidence, and then I got stopped right here. And then it was an SMT. But in this moment, I still didn't have this sell side on. So that's SMT, but look at this, this is too perfect. So I'm long again. I don't know where I was long. Towards the SIBI to offer some sort of premium move. So if I'm wrong, that's okay. But then first retracement to here, because since open, since 8:30, we've been lower. So to offer some sort of premium right here, we also below midnight. We're like in a deep discount. So far, a minimum like a retracement, but we didn't get that. We went lower again. I wanted to short this, but I didn't have the courage. And I don't know. Today I just put on another trade. Usually after two trades like this, I'm done. And after three trades, then I'm definitely done. But I stayed, and I was just thinking, yeah, this is beyond the market. There's still some opportunity later this session, maybe, or in lunch. But yeah, it's a Thursday NFP, and I knew that, but I didn't really put that in mind today with trading. So sometimes I have like a fear of trading, a fear of losing, I would say. And today, I had no fear. I just lost, and I was okay. Let's go look for another trade. It's like I was just chilling. I don't know, and yeah. So I just took trades that maybe some of them are not the best. Maybe the first one wasn't bad. This was like two bad trades that I usually don't take. Also because I didn't know the sell side. I thought the sell side was taken out like on a weird line. And then here just went instead of consolidation right here. We had the volume balance on the daily right here. We did the order block again. We closed this whole like fair gap, you could say. We overlapped the new week opening gap, and we just went slow. And then where I was looking for is kind of this new week opening gap. I felt like we were pretty weak. I saw us trading to get to wicks and to everything, and I thought, okay, maybe we can reach there. So I thought, okay, I'm simply wrong on the market. I'm wrong on the bias. And then I had this in mind. But yeah, again, it's a Thursday. It doesn't have to do it today. It could do it tomorrow, or it could not do it. I don't know. But I'm looking for like this farm balance on the weekly. That was what it was where I was looking for then. And I wanted to see, can we inverse some of these quadrant levels and use that to support it for to go lower. So we're just slowly trading. I thought, okay, it's gonna be slow, and then we're gonna go fast. What I did is, okay, it's lunch. We'll be making money. The cells. So on that moment, it's lunch. I had a clear draw on liquidity. That is this buy side liquidity, and after that it's taken, it could for me go here. And I went long on this BSC right here with like the short-term low, everything. Mark everything. Order block, stop below the CE of this, and we got stopped out. Went up. And what did I do? I went short. I was thinking, okay, I'm simply wrong again. No. Let now just get on the side of the market and go short and go towards some target that doesn't need to be taken today. And what did we do? Went higher. So at that moment, I'm like taking trades. I had 4 trades already, 5 trades. And what do? I went eating, and I came back, and I saw this, and I knew this is gonna be the liquidity one of the day. This is gonna be hit today. So I just went long on this wick, with this little wick right here in the quadrant level right here. Adding, I don't know why I added, because I was really confident. And what did we do? Made one more dump lower, leaving more liquidity below here. It's gonna be taken tomorrow. And then we went higher, filled the buy side once more, went lower, and then it stopped at this low point of this RTH of, I think, Old Friday, and it went higher into this CB, and then just did nothing. I would say that from here I was looking for lower. That was my plan. My plan was like this and then lower. But yeah, we have like a slow market. It's Thursday PM. Do you really want to trade that? I don't know. So yeah, you have like a last hour right here, starting right here, and CB's right here, to the upper one, and then just slowly trading lower. Right here, and then we broke last hour. The macro began, and then we finally went the retracements towards this wick and this C of this RTH, and then just went lower, just failing to take down this low. So I lost a lot of money today. I would say that I don't know, I was just like, usually I have like, I wouldn't say fear to trade, but today I didn't have that, so that's a good thing. But then to find balance inside of it, so to use like the logic that I have and just say, okay, it's good conditions and it's a high probability setup, and then not having the fear. I need to find a balance in that, and I haven't really found that. Usually it's one or the two. So, or I'm pretty impulsive. Like today's like an extreme example. I don't think I've ever traded that much on a day. But yeah, I need to find some balance in that. And today I simply broke like the rule of, okay, two trades on this day and then we're done. On the day and then we're done. We broke that rule right here. Also because next week I need to pay another fee, and it's instead of like $30, $90, somewhere around there. So that plays some role. So I need to get this funded, otherwise I'm just gonna cancel the funded and I'm in drawdown. So I'm gonna get profits. So what do? I just do some stupid stuff. So yeah, I need to find that balance inside of that, and journal good. Come back tomorrow. It's NFP Friday, but I don't even think I have much left. You see on the account I have 400 left. I thought 500 left. 400 left to trade with, so that's not much. Then I need like the craziest comeback ever, but still possible. Maybe if I just use my mind a little bit better, then we can maybe have like a little comeback. But so yeah, tomorrow we have, of course, this farming balance that I said right here. We have a monthly rebalance also right here. Yes, already did that right here, and then maybe I expect ES to go inside of this week right here of October, previous month, and we see how far we're gonna go to see or current. We see. So yeah, this is my draw for tomorrow. Maybe we could go deeper. If we go deeper inside of this order block or below threshold, then we probably gonna see some deeper retracement inside of this week, inside of this PDA race right here. And if really weak, then we can say, okay, this equal lows right here are a bit clean right here, but that's not for now. For now, I think need a little bit more information, I would say, and then we can trade and look for lower or higher. So yeah, that will be it for the day. And yeah, just need to come back tomorrow. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, how I'm gonna go and have a comeback like this, but we're gonna do our best, and talk tomorrow.